Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com. In one of my classes recently, we were looking at a range of different festivals that are quite big here in the UK, but which often don't make it into more mainstream course books for a range of different reasons. One of the things we were reading about and talking about was the Pride Festival, which is basically a kind of huge celebration of LGBTQI plus culture. And you know, it's a way for people to be visible, to be out on the streets with safety in numbers. It's a way for allies to show solidarity, and it's a way for everyone to kind of come together to support each other in the fight for equal rights. One of my students made a comment that I often hear when I discuss these kinds of issues, which is, don't get me wrong, I don't have any problem with gay people. I just don't want pride rammed down my throat. If you ram something down someone's throat, you also sometimes hear, by the way, force something down your throat or push something down your throat. You basically force people, often people who disagree with you, to have or to accept something. And we usually use it to talk about opinions, like, you know, don't ram your opinions down my throat. Don't force me to try and believe what you want to believe. So, as you may have picked up from some of my recent videos, if you really want to mourn the royal family, that's fine. That's your business. Just personally, I don't want the royal family rammed down my throat 24/7. We often use it to sort of just agree to disagree as well. So you might say, listen, you know, you're entitled to your opinion. I can see I'm not going to change your mind. Just don't ram your opinion down my throat, okay? Because I don't see things like that. You may also come from a background where religion was rammed down your throat when you're a child. And personally, I don't have any problem with whatever relationship you want to have with whatever God you happen to believe in. That's your business, it's not mine. At the same time, I don't want other people's religion rammed down my throat. One final word here is that personally, if you are saying that you don't have any problem with gay people, but you just don't want pride rammed down your throat, I would suggest it means you maybe have a bit more of a problem than perhaps you're admitting to. But there you go. Okay, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use ram something down someone's throat.